Today I'm making grilled buffalo wings with homemade ranch, my absolute favorite condiment. I can't wait to show you how. To start off my grilled chicken wings, I'm gonna make the buffalo sauce. That's 3 ingredients: melted butter, your favorite hot sauce, and some white distilled vinegar. And then just whisk it up. Real healthy. Hot sauce and butter. So wing sauce is done. Wings. You can get drumettes or wings, but I got these ones where they're connected. So this is the drumstick connected to the wing part. A little vegetable oil, and we're gonna grill them without any sauce on them because there's butter in that. Obviously, you just saw how much butter I put in, and butter burns. All right, some salt and pepper. And then just toss it up. Make sure it's all coated in the oil, salt, pepper. Place them on. Onto the ranch dressing. Herbs. Flat leaf parsley. I also have chives and dill. Into the bowl. And let's do some of these chives. All right, add that to the bowl as well. I feel like dill gives ranch like its signature flavor. Now, some sour cream. And some buttermilk. I'm gonna mix this together and then I'm gonna add some garlic and salt and pepper. So everyone has a different preference with the consistency of their ranch. If you like it a little thicker, add more sour cream. If you like it a little thinner, add more buttermilk. 1 clove of garlic, grated in. Adds a little heat, obviously a great garlic flavor. And then some salt and pepper. And that's it. That's your homemade ranch. You can pop it in the fridge. The longer it sits, the better it gets. Okay, so both my sauces are done. My chicken's grilling. I'm gonna give it a little check to see if it's time to flip. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna close the lid and cook them another 5, 6, 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them. All right, my chicken is ready to come off and get sauced, and then it's gonna go back on. Oh, the skin is nice and crispy. So we're gonna pour over like maybe half the sauce. Toss it, put it back on the grill, and then we'll finish tossing it in the sauce. So I'm doing this so I get the sauce on it, I grill it, it kind of sears into the meat, and I take them off and then I drench it in it because buffalo sauce should always be in large amounts on everything. All right, these look tossed and coated. Let's put them back on the grill for only a minute or 2 per side. And back in the bowl. Alrighty. Pour over the remaining sauce. Really coat those babies. All right, let's plate it up. I'm gonna put some of this ranch on the side. Smell that garlic and dill. Pile them up. And then drizzle some of that sauce over everything. Oh, mama. It's that easy. Grilled buffalo wings with homemade ranch. I hope you make it. Make the homemade ranch and send me photos and then drink it and we can drink it together. Cheers.